I'm Matt.
And I'm Jodie, and we are full-time travellers. We've been on the road 100% nomadic since February 2013. The unique thing is, though, that we've had 95% of that time with totally free accommodation. So everything here with the Travel Lifestyle Plan is pretty much based on our own personal journey of saving a bucket load of money. In fact, we worked out it's about a third of the cost to travel the world than it is to live in a fixed location.
Yep.
And of course, along the way, we've had to make money because we started this whole journey with pretty much next to nothing. So what we've got here in the Travel Lifestyle Plan, you may already know about because you've found us on a YouTube video, somebody's recommended you to come here, perhaps you've even already got a copy of our companion handbook. But basically, this is it. This is where we want to introduce you to the lifetime membership of what we've got here in the Travel Lifestyle Plan. So maybe the best thing to do is just either refresh your memory or introduce you to what we've actually bundled together here in this really cool collection of fantastic information.
All right, let's dive in.